Welcome! In front of me I have MOBVOI TicWatch C2 Plus, and I'm gonna show you how to connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press the upper button to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the connectivity option and select it. And here find the Wi-Fi and tap on it. Once you find the Wi-Fi and open the Wi-Fi menu, make sure that the Wi-Fi is enabled. As you can see, mine is, but if yours wasn't, tap on the switch to turn it on. And after you turn on the Wi-Fi, scroll down, find the Add Network option and tap on it. It will open the list of nearby networks you can connect to, find the network you want to use, tap on it to select it, and now we need to enter the password, and we can use two options. We have enter on phone and enter on watch. If you tap on enter on phone, it will bring you pop-up on your phone that is connected to your watch, and then you can use it to enter the password. And if you use enter on watch option, it will open the keyboard on your watch and you can enter it on your watch directly. I'm gonna use the phone option, so I'm gonna tap on enter on phone. And that's how the pop-up looks like. Basically, you can tap right here and enter the password. And once you're done, you can tap on the connect button. As you can see, it's connecting, and then it says connected, which means you are connected to the Wi-Fi network. You can also tell that you're connected to it by going back, and under the Wi-Fi button, you will see the network you're connected to, and it's gonna say connected. And once you're done, you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. And that's how you connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.